Alright folks, I'm back with another video, and this time I got two amplifiers in here, and these are the Teampie car amplifiers. I ordered them directly from the warehouse in China or the factory where they're made. These models are the TP-2000.1D. I got two of them because, you know, maybe someday I plan to do like a bigger system in my car once I get my my Tahoe, or maybe a Toyota Sequoia, or even a Ford Runner. But yeah, and I also got them right now because I feel like everything's going up in prices, and I feel like more people are discovering these amplifiers. So I figured I'll get two of them, you know, at the moment. But yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing video and see what's inside of these. All right, let's get these things out of the boxes now. Real snug fit in here. So yeah, these are the 2000 watt low range amplifiers by Teampie. Okay, real simple packaging. Out. Oh, I thought it was a lot longer. Yeah, there you go. Doesn't look like they have their label on here. And then over here we have the accessories. We got the phone jack cable. And the bass knob, really nice looking bass knob. Looks like it's got a voltage meter on there. Oh, that's really nice. Man, they put a lot of work into these. That's real nice. So hopefully I can get these in the car today and do some demos. Been real busy lately. Just got back from Tennessee last night. So okay, this amp is kind of heavy. All right, let's put this on top of the box and unwrap it. And there you have it. No name on it, nothing. Just a real clean look. Here's what it looks like on the side. See if I can get more light on there. And then the other side. So yeah, that's it right there. Now time to hook this up and do some demos. All right, I'm back here at the Forest Preserve again. It's my favorite spot to make videos. So right now I got the amp hooked up to my bass rockers. These are 600 watt RMS each, and it's hooked up at 1 ohm. And you seal the box. So go ahead and give the volume up.